Hello aspirants, welcome back to Mains Answer Writing Basics program being conducted by Team India4IAS. This is Manjunath Mudot. In this video, we are going to discuss about answer approach to the day 13 question. So this is the third week of the Mains Answer Writing Basics program. So from day 13 onwards, for the next 2 weeks, the topics will be geography. We are going to post questions related to geography. So the detailed schedule we have shared. Go through the detailed schedule and prepare accordingly and practice answer writing. The topic for day 13 is origin and evolution of the earth. The day 13 question is as follows. Explain the significance of the Big Bang theory in understanding the origin of the universe and describe the processes that are involved in the star and planet formation. So the question is asking about the significance of the Big Bang theory in understanding the origin of the earth. Origin of the ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸ್ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಒರಿಜಿನ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಸೊ ಬಿಗ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ ಥಿಯರಿ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಅಂತ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಮತ್ತು ಪ್ಲಾನೆಟ್ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಆಯಿತು ಅಂತ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಈಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದಿ ಫಂಡಮೆಂಟಲ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಜಿಯೋಗ್ರಫಿ NCERT. Go through that chapter and try to write the answer. Here we are going to discuss the approach. So we will provide approach how to write the answer. So what you should do is you should write the answer and you should get it evaluated by your mentors. So in academy there are mentors. You should get it evaluated by your mentors. So unless until you get it evaluated your answer and if there is no feedback, then there will not be any progress in your answer writing. Answer approach to the question that we have discussed is as follows. So we have to start answer with an introduction. So what can be the good introduction? The good introduction is briefly explaining what is Big Bang theory. So we should explain what is Big Bang theory. So that is what an introduction. So the Big Bang theory, after Big Bang theory, the universe, it is originated 13.8 billion years ago. So this we can write. So this is the introduction. Then the question asks about the significance of the Big Bang theory in the understanding the origin of the universe. So next part ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಬರೆದ ಮೇಲೆ ಸೊ ಹೌ ಬಿಗ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ ಥಿಯರಿ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಒರಿಜಿನ್ ಆಫ್ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸ್ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಹುಟ್ಕೊಳ್ತು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಆ ಸಿಗ್ನಿಫಿಕೆನ್ಸ್ನ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಿಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸಿಗ್ನಿಫಿಕೆನ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ದಿ ಫೌಂಡೇಶನ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾಸ್ಮೋಲಜಿ. ಅಂದರೆ ಸೊ ಇದರ ಅರ್ಥ ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸ್ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಇವಾಲ್ವ್ ಆಯಿತು, ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸ್ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಒರಿಜಿನೇಟ್ ಆಯಿತು, ಈ ವಿಷಯದ ಮೇಲೆ ಬಿಗ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ ಥಿಯರಿ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ಬಿಗ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ ಥಿಯರಿ ಇಟ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ origin and evolution of the cosmology. So Big Bang theory it is based on expanding universe theory. Expanding universe theory ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸ್ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಆಗ್ತಿರುತ್ತೆ. So it originated from a tiny singularity. So this tiny singularity after Big Bang it started to evolve as the world. So world ಇದು ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸ್ ಇವಾಲ್ವ್ ಆಗ್ತಿರ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ಈ ಥಿಯರಿನ ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸ್ ಥಿಯರಿ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಎವಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಏನು ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಏನಂತಂದರೆ ರೆಡ್ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ರೆಡ್ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಹಬ್ಬಲ್ಸ್ ಟೆಲಿಸ್ಕೋಪ್ ಎವಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಹಬ್ಬಲ್ ಟೆಲಿಸ್ಕೋಪ್ ಮುಖಾಂತರ we have observed that we have concluded that universe is expanding. So then there are cosmic microwave background radiation. Cosmic ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸ್ ಇಂದ ಸೊ ಮೈಕ್ರೋವೇವ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ರೇಡಿಯೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಆ ರೇಡಿಯೇಷನ್ಸ್ನ ನಾವು ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ದ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ದೆನ್ ದ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಯೋಸಿಂಥಸಿಸ್ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಬಿಗ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್. ಸೊ ದ ಬಿಗ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ ಥಿಯರಿ ಇಟ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ explaining the formation of the light elements during the early universe. Light elements ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾವುದು, ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ, then we have helium, then we have lithium. So these light elements they formed soon after the Big Bang, soon after the formation of the universe. So ಈ ಥಿಯರಿ ಬಿಗ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ ಥಿಯರಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಇಟ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ nucleosynthesis of these lighter elements. So these 3 points are enough to explain the first part of the question, that is significance of the Big Bang theory in understanding the origin and evolution of the universe. So in the second part of question, the question is asking about the processes involved in the star formation and formation of the planets. So first we will address the star formation processes. So the first step in the star formation process is gravitational collapse of gas clouds. So these gas clouds they are also called as ನೆಬುಲೆ. ಸೊ ನೆಬುಲೆ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಈ ನೆಬುಲೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಓವರ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಈ ಗ್ಲಾಸ್ ಕ್ಲೌಡ್ಸು ಕಂಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬ ಗ್ರಾವಿಟಿ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಗ್ರಾವಿಟಿ, ಸೊ ದೀಸ್ ಗ್ಲಾಸ್ ಕ್ಲೌಡ್ಸ್ ದೇ ಕೊಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಈ ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ ಕ್ಲೌಡು ಇದು ಕೊಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಸ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇಟ್ ಹೀಟ್ಸ್ ಅಪ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ ಕ್ಲೌಡ್ ಕೊಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಸ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಹೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಹೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ protostar. Protostar is the first stage in the formation of the star. So once protostar it starts to form, it accumulates the enough mass. After accumulating enough mass, nuclear fusion ignites in the core of this protostar. Nuclear fusion ಮತ್ತೆ nuclear fission ಅಂತ ಎರಡು ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Nuclear fusion, this is the main nuclear reaction that is taking place at the core of the stars, including our sun. So once nuclear fusion starts admele, so hydrogen fusion begins at the core. So the main sequence is hydrogen fusion begins at the core of the star. So this provides the stability to the star. So all the stars, at the core of all the stars, hydrogen fusion is taking place. This hydrogen fusion, it provides the stability to the star. So its stability means there is a gravity acting at the center of the star, and there is also, because of the nuclear fusion, there is also radiation pressure. So this hydrogen fusion, it provides stability between these two forces. So these are the processes involved in the star formation. So in the next part, we have to address the planet formation processes. So earlier we have studied the star formation. During star formation, a rotating disk of gas and dust forms around the young star or protostar. If it is a young star or protostar, so surrounding this young star and protostar, there is a rotating disk of dust and gas. So this rotating disk is called as protoplanetary disk. It is also called as protoplanetary disk. So this disk is also called as accretion disk formation. So this is the first stage in the formation of the planets. Once this accretionary disk it is formed, so the gas and dust clouds within this accretionary disk, they stick together. Then they form planetesimals and protoplanets. So for example, here it is a gas and dust. So this gas and dust, they start to accumulate, they start to stick together. So they start to stick together. In this way, they will create the planets. So over the time, they started to collide each other and they will form bigger masses. They will start to grow. In this way, they will form the planets. So these earlier small sized protoplanets or planetesimals, they are called as planetesimals or protoplanets. So then after formation of planetesimals and protoplanets, the planet differentiation starts over the period of millions of years. So if it is the star or sun, then surrounded by star and sun, these millions of protoplanets or planetesimals, they will collide and they will form the planets. It will take over the millions of years. So this is the orbit of this planet, this is the orbit of this planet, this is the orbit of this planet. So over the period of millions of years, the planet differentiation takes place with the from the planetesimals and protoplanets. So this is about the planet formation process. So then we have to conclude the answer by writing a conclusion. So how we can conclude? We should summarize the importance of the Big Bang theory. So how Big Bang theory was helpful in understanding the origin of the universe, origin of the stars, and origin of the planets. So this also explained, the Big Bang theory also provides explanation to the expanding universe theory. So by writing this, we should conclude. Thank you for watching. See you in the answer approach to the day 14 question. Till then, happy answer writing.